Yo, what up everybody? Coy from Hot Rods here. You thinking about getting a little nasty? Don't want your mama to know? Not a problem, baby. We got you covered with our sleeper mode valve control mufflers. With the click of a switch, you can be making your car scream. Click it again, you're back in the sleeper mode, baby. Want to know how it works? Full control. Fully open, fully closed. It also has variable settings. You have total control over this sleeper mode muffler. If you're thinking about getting a performance exhaust, the sleeper mode valve control mufflers is a serious option you should be thinking about. Fully open, fully closed, it's the best of all worlds. Just check them out at HOTRODSCOTTS online, and if you don't believe me they're the best, check out some of these clips.
Yo, sitting dirty, baby.
Let's make it nasty, baby!
S300, what you working with?
Put the kids to bed, baby!
Psst. Hey, your wife don't want you to make your truck nasty? Don't worry, we got you covered.
Scotty, let her go! Yeah, baby! Go home to the wife? What you talking about, Willis? No, man, my truck's nice and quiet, honey. I didn't do nothing. No, not me, not me. Nasty, baby, all day long. Except for the wash around and long drives, right?